Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to program 2010 Dodge Challenger key fob. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both fobs ready. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine, then back to OFF 3 times, finishing in the on position to enter programming mode. Listen for a chime that confirms the vehicle is ready to accept new key fobs. Follow the onboard chime prompts calmly as you proceed through each step to avoid errors. After entering programming mode, press any button on the first new fob, wait for a confirmation chime, then repeat for additional fobs within the time window. If a fob fails, exit programming mode by cycling the ignition and restart the sequence from the beginning. Always test locks and trunk release before finishing to ensure successful programming. Quick recommendation: if you like following step-by-step guides, the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading instructions easy and comfortable in any light, and it stores many manuals for your cars. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful content like this. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if it helps you follow along. Now let's get back to the video. Stay patient and systematic when something goes wrong, as many issues come from timing or battery levels. If you encounter persistent failure, try fresh batteries, confirm fob compatibility, and repeat the ignition and button sequence precisely. Some vehicles require dealer tools for certain remote functions, so factor in the option of a professional if self-programming cannot register the fob. Keep spare batteries and a phone handy for quick help if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.